Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft with friends offline. Firstly, you need to use online services. Visit websites like 2IP or whohower.net to get your public IP address instantly. Press the Windows plus R, type CMD and click OK. Then, in the console, type ipconfig and press enter. This is just to get your IP address. Now, ensure all players are using the same version of Minecraft. Open Minecraft Launcher and click on the single player. Create a new world with your preferred settings. Now press Escape to open the pause menu. Click Open to LAN. Then configure LAN settings. Choose a game mode and note the port number displayed on the screen. Share this port number and your IP address with your friends, then click Start LAN World. To join it, just open your Minecraft launcher, click Multiplayer, and click Direct Connection. Enter the host's IP address and port number in the format of IP 2.0 port. Click Join Server to connect. And that's it. Now you can enjoy playing together on your LAN server without needing an online server. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.